So pretty much I'm about to do a rundown of this trade I got in on Eurgbp. So in order to do that, I'm gonna go ahead and start on the daily time frame, right? So on the daily time frame, just ignore these little lines, right? Well, I guess I'll delete these real quick. It's just something that I seen. I'll explain it though. So pretty much, it was an uptrend. It started to consolidate. Now it's starting to drop. All right, and the reason why I think it's going to drop, well, it is dropping right now, but the reason why I thought it was going to drop at the time is because right here, I'm gonna draw into it like that's right there. All right, so right here, it made a high, right, and then it made a low, right, and then it made another high, but this high is lower than this high right here, so it's lower than this previous high, right? Then it made a low, which is lower than its previous low. So now it's no longer making higher highs and higher lows. Now it's making lower highs and lower lows, right? And it continued to do that, right? It continued to make lower highs and lower lows. So with that being said, since price was here on the daily time frame, it broke through so this was Sunday or Friday's candle, the last Friday candle, and this is Monday's candle of the week that I am making this video on. So this was Friday's candle, last week's candle. This is the candle of this week. All right, Monday or Sunday. Today is Monday. So this is Sunday's candle, right? So Friday's candle though, Friday's candle broke the previous support level, right? So if you already see price making lower highs and lower lows after it just recently made some higher highs and higher lows, then you want to wait, and you want to wait for price to break the structure again, to find entries and whatnot if you're looking for sales, right? And that's exactly what this Friday candle did. Not only that, we're gonna take it down to a lower time frame, 4 hours, so we can see some more information, right? So these little circles here, these are what I marked as market structure, right? So we got the higher highs and the higher lows, right? Oh well, not higher highs and higher lows, lower highs and lower lows, right? So that's what price is doing. It's making lower highs and higher lows, right? Did the same thing here. Lower low, higher low. Oh, I'm tweaking right now. Maybe it is. I don't know. I don't really pay attention to the verbiage too much. I just know what I'm looking for, right? Obviously, it's in a downtrend. Let's just say that, right? It's in a downtrend, right? So you see how price is staying underneath this little zone, right? This little trend line right here, right? So it's in a downtrend. We know it's in a downtrend. I know it's in a downtrend, right? So coming up on this week, Sunday. I don't really trade too much on Sundays, but this just looks so good to me because it's making, the lower highs and lower lows. There you go. The lower highs and lower lows, right? So that's what I saw. That's what I first noticed, and then I brought it down to the 4 hour, and I seen this. Now, one of the setups I like to use is using these EMAs, right? So we got the 150, right? This is the 150. This is the 150, right? This is the 50, and then this is the 21, right? So the way I use these is, I just wait for them to fan out, right? So, pretty much when they fan out, it's like pretty much giving me opportunities to enter into the market if price action is doing what I wanted to do, right? So that's what it did. It followed my trader plan, and I saw that it broke market structure. It came to retest that broken market structure, right? And I anticipated to go down, and that's what I did, right? And the reason why I got in a good position is because I just waited for it to come to the area where I wanted to go into, and I took sales, right? So if we break it down to the 1 hour, the 1 hour was also doing what I want the EMAs to do, which is fan out. So, think about it. It's so much, confluence going on right now with this trade setup that I got, right? We got market structure on the higher time frame, right? The higher highs, the lower highs and lower lows, right? It's trending bearish, right? It's breaking, its own market structure. You know what I'm saying? And now pretty much all I had to do, and it was also, my EMAs is also a influence of mine. And all those things put together, I was able to enter into the market. And right now, it's continuing to do what I wanted to do. Right, it's continuing to drop. And if you look left, right, it's just clean traffic. You know what I'm saying? And there's no candles in the way for 70 something pips. You know what I'm saying? And if the market's if the structure is going to continue to do what I expect it to do, which is make lower highs and lower lows, it's going to break this low here. You know what I'm saying? It's going to break this low and maybe come back down to, retest some of these lows here. Right? So that's all you really do. You just wait for your setups. You wait for the price to do what you want it to do. You know what I'm saying? You don't just trade in the market because you see it's really choppy, right? It's choppy, You want to wait until you get confirmations. You want to wait until you're comfortable with taking a position. You know what I'm saying? If you're not comfortable taking the position, then you don't get into the trade. Now, my stop loss, I lock this because I like to use my phone. Let's see, stop. I think my stop was maybe 500 ticks, which is 50 pips, I think. No, it was not 50 pips. Maybe it was 10 pips. It was above here. Okay, 15 pips, my bad. All right, so my stop loss was at 15 pips. And my profit level, my target level is down here. So that's almost a 1 to 8, 1 to 7 risk to reward. So this is really good. You know what I'm saying? This is the type of interest that I like to look for. You know what I'm saying? Low risk, high reward trades, clean traffic. You know what I'm saying? A bunch of confluences. That's what I look for to trade in Forex. It's so easy, bro. All you do is just wait for your setups. You wait for the price to do what you wanted it to do. And then you just either let it stop you out or let it run. You know what I'm saying? It's that simple. There's nothing too difficult about it. There's nothing too difficult about it. Anybody can do it. You know what I'm saying? You just come up with a trading plan. You back test it. And, you make money. And that's all it is to it. You know what I'm saying? So I'll go through it real quick one more time. So first thing I did was I identified the structure, seeing that it was in a downtrend, right? So it's trending bearish. So the only thing I want to look for is sales, right? And I think it's 30. How you get the days? No, I gotta back out because I don't know how to get the days on this shit. All right, daily, right? So identified the downtrend. Identified the trend. It's a downtrend, right? Go to the 4 hour. this is how you do top-down analysis as well. This is how you do top-down analysis as well. You break it down from a higher time frame, go down to the lower, get the structure right, get your support resistance lines right, and you know what I'm saying. So, boom, I found the market direction, right, and then on a daily, then I came down to the 4 hour. You know what I'm saying. I created my zones. Resistance zone, support zone, whatever. You know what I'm saying? I saw a price coming up to it, right? And then I just waited for my entry. You know what I'm saying? I waited for it to respect my little trends, my EMAs here, gave me a confirmation, and then I just pulled the trigger, After that, you just take it down. You just ride the wave. That's all you do. And then, you know what I'm saying, if you look at this trend, bro, like it's the perfect downtrend, bro. Perfect downtrend. And that's what Eurgbp is good for. It's trends, it's movements, you know what I'm saying? Even on the lower time frame. The higher time frames not so much, but the lower time frames, you can find some good trades, man. You can find some hefty pips. You get what I'm saying? So, what I'm going to explain now is my how I pretty much manage my trades, right? So once price broke below here, that's when I move my trade to break even, right? Now, since it consolidated here, where you at, bro? Always all over the place. All right, boom. So now that it consolidated here and then dropped from that consolidation, now what I want to wait for is to see it maybe retest. You know what I'm saying? Maybe retest and respect the zone, and I might close out. Is it on there? All right, boom. Yeah, so I'm gonna wait and see, if it come back up to retest it. If it respect it, then I move my stop. If it doesn't, I'll probably close the trade. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't want to lose any profit. Right now it's looking good. You see all this clean traffic, man. I'm just waiting for it to drop. You know what I'm saying? That's all I'm waiting for. So that's all I got. That's the trade I got for Eurgbp. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can subscribe. You know what I mean? Set the bell icon. I probably do this shit I probably make these videos probably 3 times a week if I see opportunities. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to pretty much not really try to teach people. This is for myself. This is like my personal trading journal. You know what I'm saying? When I record my trades, I upload them. You know what I'm saying? For me. You know what I'm saying? So I can know how good I'm doing, how bad I'm doing. And it's easy to watch this. You know what I'm saying? It's easy to watch the video and see how much I've grown and, you know what I'm saying, what I can improve on. You know what I'm saying? What I can keep continuing to do. So that's what these videos for. So, but if y'all want to come back, you know what I mean, continue to watch, make some money with me, hey, like and subscribe, bro. Peace out.